Hi folks, welcome back to my Daffy channel, and for the classifieds today I'm going to start looking through this May 1999 issue of Revs. So we'll go through some of the classified ads. There's quite a few in this, so I'll get a couple of videos out of this, so I'll be able to go through them a wee bit slower. So that first one down the bottom there, that's MOT, tax, miles, price obviously, and I think that's if it's not been written off the wee tick, I think. Or service history, sorry, service history. Service history, no fucking right off. Excuse me. So May 1999, Shanks and Bigfoot were in the charts with Sweet Like Chocolate. And you also had Fats and Small with Turnaround. And £1,000 back then is roughly £1,700 just now, I'm sure. If I'm wrong, quote me on that. But this is what your small ads had in them back then. MI16, if you can make that out, the reflections on there. I've seen that body kit, I'm sure that's an old Irmshire body kit. Irmshire, sorry. Turbo 2.8 Capri. Or an AX GT for near enough the same price, but this is the wee rarity here. Crayford Fiesta 1300 Super Sport convertible. Excuse the background noise, I do have, as I've probably mentioned before, some crazy dash-ins, and they're having a wee play in the background. Sure, GTTI there. So I hope I went through that slow enough so you could read that. There you are, a Citroen BX 16 valve, usual car. Loads more to come there, so I'll leave it at that just now, but as always, thank you very much for the time you're never getting back.